Hey, fourth grade, Miss Rowe here. It's a beautiful day, so I am outside ready to get started with our rocks and minerals unit. Today we're going to be watching a video that helps us to explain the difference between rocks and minerals and how the two work together and where we see them in our everyday life. So stay tuned, I'm excited to get started. Get started with the video. Let's consider our text focusing question for this week. What are rocks and minerals? Rocks are familiar to us. We began our learning about them in class, but minerals are new. We're going to dive into them in this video today. We want to think about how are these two things similar and different. So as we watch the video, consider these two questions and see if you can answer them with the information we gather today. First watch, we're going to watch the video all at once. And I want you to just think about what do you notice and what questions come to mind.
Wow, look at all those rocks and all those cool colors. Oh no, those aren't rocks, those are minerals. Minerals? How can you even tell the difference? I'm glad you asked. Minerals, let's talk minerals. They're identified by properties that are physical. Color, luster, hardness, streak, cleavage, and fracture. Now let me just speak on minerals. Yup, it's time to talk. First off, what? They're the building blocks for rocks. There are over 3,000 known on the earth, and they're not man-made. They naturally occur. They're inorganic, which means they aren't alive. They're derived from non-living things. That's right. Take amber. Cool. It comes from trees. Trees are living, so it can't be a mineral, you see. A mineral is not a gas or a liquid. It's solid, and they can be described by their their chemical formula, which is the compounds and elements, the pure substances, like the mineral salt. It's called sodium chloride. Try calling it that when you put some on your fries. Yeah. Point is, minerals are pure, unlike rocks, which are made of what? It's hard to be sure. If you need some examples of minerals, get some. Garnet, gold, diamond, quartz, and gypsum. But how do you identify the ones you see? They all have unique traits or properties. Minerals, let's talk minerals. They're identified by properties that are physical. Color, luster, hardness, streak, cleavage, and fracture. Now let me just speak on minerals. Yup, let's talk minerals. They're identified by properties that are physical. Color, luster, hardness, streak, cleavage, and fracture. Now let me just speak.
We've watched the video through the first time and we have a sense of what minerals are and their relationship with rocks. We're going to take a second watch where we pause for discussion. I'll pose some questions that I'm sure you will be able to generate some answers for. We're going to see if we're able to answer the text focusing question. What are rocks and minerals and how are they similar and different?
Wow, look at all those rocks and all those cool colors. Oh no, those aren't rocks, those are minerals. Minerals? How can you even tell the difference? I'm glad you asked. Minerals, let's talk minerals. They're identified by properties that are physical. Color, luster, hardness, streak, cleavage, and fracture. Now let me just speak on minerals. Yup, it's time to talk. First off, what? They're the building blocks for rocks. There are over 3,000 known on the earth, and they're not man-made. They naturally occur. They're inorganic, which means they aren't alive. They're derived from non-living things. That's right. Take amber. Cool. It comes from trees. Trees are living, so it can't be a mineral, you see. A mineral is not a gas or a liquid. It's solid, and they can be described by their their chemical formula, which is the compounds and elements, the pure substances.
Okay, so I see our first question. Describe what minerals are in your own words. Why are they building blocks for rocks? Oh, this is great because it also ties in to our text focusing question, the relationship between rocks and minerals. So I'm thinking back to what I learned in the video, and I know that minerals are inorganic substances, which means they are not alive. I also know that they're always solid. They're never liquid like water or gas like air. And I know that some examples are gold and salt and quartz, things that I see in my everyday life. Now I'm looking at the second part of my question. Why are they the building blocks for rocks? Well, we know rocks are made out of all sorts of things. They're created through different processes like erosion, heat and pressure, and cooling and melting. But the smallest bit of rocks that all come together to create a rock are minerals. So minerals are the pieces of a rock that, when put together in those different processes, create rocks, which makes them the building blocks for rocks. What else do you think we could use? What other evidence can we use to answer this question?
Like the mineral salt is called sodium chloride. Try calling it that when you put some on your fries. Yeah, point is minerals are pure, unlike rocks, which are made of what? It's hard to be sure.
So our second question, on the beach, Sergey finds an empty crab shell. Is that a mineral? Why or why not? An empty crab shell. What do you think? An empty crab shell can't be a mineral because a crab was once alive, and we know minerals are inorganic. They are not alive. But our empty crab shell has minerals. Minerals could be the building blocks, but is the whole thing a mineral? No. Nice job, fourth grade.
You need some examples of minerals. Get some garnet, gold, diamond, quartz, and gypsum. But how do you identify the ones you see? They all have unique traits or properties. Minerals. Let's talk minerals. They're identified by properties that are physical: color, luster, hardness, streak, cleavage, and fracture. Now let me just speak.
I hope you had fun with that video. Maybe you got a chance to sing or dance along a little bit and learn something new about rocks and minerals. So returning to our text focusing question, what are rocks and minerals? We've gained some more knowledge about this new term minerals. We know that they are the building blocks for rocks. How are they similar and different? Well, we know minerals are all made up of the same compound, but rocks can be made up of many different things, including minerals. This video will be here as a resource for you as we continue this journey of learning about rocks and minerals. Have a great day and stay safe and healthy, fourth grade.